Birdo, Bertha, whatever her name is, I'm not gonna lie. She is also mid, but she's going smash territory. Now look. Something about that mouth that just gets me going, bro. Something about it.
Imagine that birdo boppage.
How you doing? Odette is going in smash territory. Now look, bro. Look. It is something about them pigtails, bro. Toadette low-key baddie. Scale of 1 to 10, I low-key give Toadette like an 8.5, 9 out of 10. I'll probably drink Toadette's bathwater. I'll probably bend down on my knees for a Toadette, bow down to her, worship her a little bit, maybe suck her toes. 99% of the people watching this video, they're probably thinking the same thing, right?